Good morning, everybody. It's about 11:30 in the morning, and I thought we'd start off the video just showing you my little cave. I've got a loft bed, and I've kind of decorated it up here to be my own little area. I've got all my acrylic charms, all my acrylic standees, some records of the My Hero soundtrack from the second movie, some little Studio Ghibli postcards I got at Disney World, and Shiggy is here to greet us in all our morning glory. My shin guards finally arrived. I'm really excited because this means I can actually try roller skating outside without fear that I'm gonna do the splits and rip my entire arm off on accident. Okay, these look fantastic. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I've been really looking forward to these, so I can't wait to try them on. The colors are just so pretty. I'm a little bit confused as to what this white bump is at the top of the wrist braces. It means I can't, like, move my arm very well, but maybe it's so that I can, like, when I'm inevitably gonna go down, I can just smack it and not damage my entire being too badly. I'm excited, though. I'm very excited. I've got my Deku mug. To protect me from danger. Deku, we've got a Kachan, and we've got a Shinso.
I'm glad. I was afraid. I looked at the time and I was afraid it was gonna be like dark when we came out. It's gonna be like a casino.
Ding dong, the wicked witch is dead. I am officially done wrapping everything for Christmas. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be celebrating a Christmas Eve with my family. And me and Alex are watching JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Oh, I look awful. I didn't shower today.
Well, too bad. If anything, it's my job to take embarrassing photos of you.
So it's my very last day at home before Christmas is over, and it's gonna be time for me to get on my train to go visit Comet in Minneapolis. Very, very excited. My parents got me a Christmas tree for Christmas, which is so crazy. It's like so pretty. It's seriously like the most beautiful thing ever, and it's because I have my own apartment now. We are having French toast for breakfast. And Comet made fresh blueberry sauce. And it's so amazing. Little peeps. Look at those peeps. Got him.
One is missing. It's okay.
Bravo!
Bro, you gotta join in. We gotta fucking jam.
I will. I gotta check YouTube comments first. I got home literally 10 minutes ago and said hi to Jay, who just got out of class. And I'm so tired and I'm ready to pass out, but I just got like a crap ton of packages, and so I just wanted to open them up real quick before I go to bed, because this is all just super sweet, super cute stuff that I've been waiting for forever. I also got some Fruity Pebbles, because we don't really have a lot of groceries. So I'm gonna open up all these bad boys, and then I'm gonna go to bed. When I wake up, I'm gonna have dinner with Mika, and then start work on Otaku Fest. But sleep is priority, so let's open these dudes up. First things first, I got the boyfriends in Nidutan plush form. I've had these pre-ordered since like, I think April. They're really, really cute. I really, really love them. I got a lot of Shinbaku content actually in this recent haul, I suppose. Like, I really wish that I could have like cute-ass packaging like this. And I appreciate the fact that she still covered it in bubble wrap to protect it. Ooh. This is another charm that I've had my eyes on for like a really long time. As you can see, it's huge, and it's a shaker charm. So we've got the whole Baki squad in there in the little ghost pepper chips. Got Kachan looking really cute. And then on the back, it's really cute. It's got all of the ingredients, ultra spicy, the barcode. And like, look at the ingredients list. Dye 5 grams, explosive 50 grams, pride 50 grams, brash, power, friends 1,000 grams. This is just so cute. And he's got like a little chili pepper. On the front, it's just his little tongue sticking out. But on the back, he's got a little chili pepper in his mouth, and he's like cracking his knuckles. The artist is named Doki Basil. You can check out their Etsy. She literally has the cutest artwork. Like, look at these freaking business cards. They're so sweet. She sent like these personalized thank you cards. So nice. For this next one, the packaging is literally like the cutest thing on the planet. We got some more of the boyfriends, plus Toga this time. Toga's charm is super, super cute. These are from Toxic JPEG. I waited for like half a year for them to restock all of their cute little little charms. They're like so adorable. They're Tamagotchis. I got the boyfriends. I got a Shinso and I got a Bakugo. And they're really cute and they're really sweet. Also, sorry that I sound so tired. I just got back from like the most horrible traveling experience of my life. And then of course I've got like months and months worth of pre-orders from Smurf. Oh, this is so exciting. Literally no one beats Smurf when it comes to decoration and presentation. Like, it came in like this really pretty wrapping paper that I ripped, and I know I'm supposed to rip it, but like, Smurfy's packaging is all so cute. And I got the boys, I got the boyfriends, and I got a different set of boyfriends. And I ordered like one bookmark, and she sent me all of these. It's just so sweet. And I ordered her Strangelove Zine, and it's like, oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. I absolutely love fan comics, especially because, like, she's the only other big Shinbaku artist that I know, and I just adore her. And, like, look how freaking cute this is. Like, this is her business card. It's, like, the cutest thing on the planet. I cannot wait to hang this up. And I'm actually, like, I think these were the first pins I ever ordered from Smurf, and they're just so freaking cute. I'm so happy. I love Studio Ghibli, and Princess Mononoke is my favorite Studio Ghibli movie, and Spirited Away was my first Studio Ghibli movie I ever watched, and so just, they're girlfriends. I don't know what else to tell you. In this universe, I am gender bending them against their will. The rule of Egg being very tired. This is why I go through each individual charm when I'm checking, because see, this one has a dent in it. You guys see that? Yeah, I can't sell that because it's damaged. And it's got a couple scratches. But that big dent, this is why I check all of my charms, because that I can't sell that because it's damaged. And I don't do B grade because I don't like the idea of selling a bad product. So there we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to photograph this damaged part, send it back to the manufacturer, and on my next restock, they will give me an additional item to replace the broken one. This is how I keep track of everything. What a beautiful view. I uploaded an animatic yesterday. Now I gotta check out the statistics of how it's doing. I scheduled it to be released at 12 o'clock and it is 12:05. So it's not doing too bad. It's already got 1,000 views, 500 likes, and 55 comments. So what I'm gonna do now is I need to make a community post so that anyone who didn't get the notification will be able to see this in the community tab and watch it. Okay, so now everything's been posted to TikTok, to Instagram, Tumblr, all that good stuff. And now we're going to check out the comments. So I've got 1.6K on there so far. That's pretty good. And we're just gonna respond to all these comments. It's very sweet people. Amazing, love your art, very gorgeous, great direction, selection of music. It's very, very sweet of them. Amazing, how? Do you work for Disney or something? This is honestly my favorite part of the process, getting to respond to everyone's comments. Everyone's so nice, everyone's so sweet. If you listen hard, you can hear Jay singing in the background. That also brings me a lot of joy. Now, we need to do the most important part of the day, which is clean our horrifyingly dirty bedroom. Like, oh my god. So the reason that it's this bad is because, as you can see, with the suitcases and the Comic-Con stuff, I went to go home for Christmas break, and then I went to visit Comet in Minnesota, and then immediately I came back and I had to prepare for Otaku Fest with only a week to spare. Went to Otaku Fest and came back and immediately started working on my next animatic. So I've just kind of been going non-stop, and I have not had any time to, like, clean up this mess. So we're going to, take out all this trash before it starts to smell. I promise my room is normally very kept and tidy and clean. So we're gonna get that all taken care of. Also, we're gonna put pants on for the first time all day. Normally, pants don't go on for the first 3 hours of the day, if they go on at all. So we're breaking that tradition a little bit to clean up the goddamn room, because as you can see, it's quite small, and we need walking space. Great news, everyone! My Deku wig finally came in! It's from Arta Wigs. It's the same brand that Smurf and Ro use, and I got it in olive. It's a darker color than I thought it was going to be, because both of their wigs are a lighter color, but I actually kind of like this better because it's closer to Deku's actual hair color. So I can't wait to open this up and check it out and see how it looks, so that I can do my Ghost Deku cosplays and just some casual Deku cosplays and all that fun stuff. Obviously nothing for TikTok or anything. Purely going to be for myself and for conventions. This bad boy is going to need a lot of styling. I'm going to need to take some scissors and hairspray, and look, you can see my finger literally poking out of it. Honestly, it's like a great quality wig, and I know it's gonna look great, and I know it's gonna work. I just have never styled a wig before. So I'm gonna figure out how to do that tomorrow, and I'll, like, post progress pictures and all that good stuff. So my Buy Cute bunny is finally here. I've been waiting for, like, more than a year, I'm pretty sure. The box is huge, and so far it's looking, like, really cute. I'm very excited to open it, see how she looks. She's absolutely adorable. Really like the box. I know that's, like, something dumb to talk about, but I really do like the box. She's still in the plastic, but holy shit, I had no idea that this figure was gonna be this huge. She's bigger than my Miku bunny figure. Oh my god. I'm also rewatching the Princess Diaries, and can I just say, Lily is the worst best friend in history. Mia just mentioned how she misses her dad because he died 2 months ago, and Lily's like, wasn't that like so long ago? Like, it's 2 months, dude, what the fuck? She's out of the plastic, and she's just absolutely stunning. Like, I cannot speak more highly for this figure. She's huge, she's gorgeous, the quality is amazing. There's just a little bit of discoloration like around her bow tie, and the back part of her leg, like you can see a little bit of glue like on the top part, but I love the way that the tights look going down the back. I absolutely love all the little details, and I really love the base. Very cute, very prominent, and considering the fact that the company only has 4 bunnies out currently, and already their base is just like kind of taking the entire bunny industry over by storm. So a little bit of comparison. This is my Miku. She's a little bit taller, but I think that's just because the character herself is taller than Miku is canonically. And I absolutely love the way that the bases look next to each other, like the black and gold versus the white and gold. It looks so gorgeous. Obviously Miku's costume's a lot more detailed, but I think that this fits the character like so much better. She just looks so cute. Her eyes are absolutely gorgeous. I know this is like a dumb thing to be this excited for, but the Lunar New Year boxes on Overwatch, the loot boxes for Lunar New Year, they're so fucking cute. Oh my god, it's the little box with fireworks. I'm loving this. I'm so excited. I might cave and use real money to buy a Lucio skin this year. Also, comments here. Dude, I got a Samurai Nori in my loot box. This is the best day of my life. Look at how amazing my gun looks. Coolest gun ever. Look at that painting. Look at this. Look at this shit. Just beauty. Look how cute he is with his little hair. He's so cute. I love him. Are you good? Those are the only berries. I have the cucumbers left, which are gonna go into sandwiches. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Sorry.
It's okay. I am having a Valentine's Day party. Jay's dancing in the background. She's washing my fruits for me because I am tired after walking up the hill.
I truly am a mother figure.
And I was gonna buy rosé. I accidentally bought grape juice instead.
Wait, we have rum? Just take the rum and pour it into the rosé bottle?
That would be disgusting! So I got some sausages and some cheese for charcuterie board. Lauren's favorite chips, jalapeno chips. We've got tuna for tuna sandwiches, cucumber for cucumber sandwiches. So the strawberries have been rinsed along with the raspberries, and I've got these really cute pink and like golden sprinkles, as well as these just plain like white sprinkles. I'm going to be putting them as decoration on top of the chocolate. I've also got these heart-shaped molds that we use to make heart-shaped ice cubes, and I'm going to use these to make the chocolate, and then I'm going to make a bunch of heart-shaped ice cubes, and we're only going to use heart-shaped ice tomorrow. I just got some regular Toll House milk chocolate chips, and they melted really nicely, and it smells nice and chocolatey. I wanted to do pink lemonade, so I bought like this pink sparkly gel stuff because they didn't have any food coloring, and I succeeded in making sparkly lemonade. It looks so cool. I'm incredibly excited about it. The sparkles look amazing, and it tastes really good too. Good morning, it's Valentine's Day. Yesterday I went to CVS and I got a couple little gift bags and some goodies, and I'm about to make some little gift baskets for my friends for the Valentine's Day party tonight. I got these like really cute balloon things. I'm gonna stick into the bags. Here they are, the finished baggies. They're super cute. We've just got some chocolates and cookies and little snacks, some little heart-shaped boxes, and everyone gets a little balloon to bring home. It's gonna be a very fun time. I'm still a little bit nervous that no one's gonna be able to come because they have boyfriends, but I like the way they look and I think they're cute, and I hope that people like them. And you know, if they're not able to come, at least they'll be able to stop by, grab one of their little gift baggies, and then go enjoy their Valentine's Day with their boys. So here's the spread for Valentine's Day. Food, the balloons, cake pops, cookies, chips, M&Ms, chocolate cake with raspberries, cucumber sandwiches and tuna sandwiches, pink lemonade, some sparkling rosé because I didn't know real rosé and grape juice were different things, chocolate covered strawberries, M&Ms, and a little charcuterie board with a candy apple. I think everything looks really good and I'm going to enjoy my little party. Oh yeah, and then of course the gift bags. Super cute. My new bunny figure just arrived. Lauren brought it up for me. Thank you, Lauren. It's huge, like the box is ginormous, and the box it came in is even bigger. So let's crack the bubble wrap open and get this bad boy out. I got her out of the bubble wrap and she's so cute already. The box is huge. That's how she looks from the side, very cute. And on the back it has the artwork that the figure is based on, which is just like the cutest thing on the planet. There she is. She's absolutely adorable. She's ginormous, literally as tall as the box, which is insane. And she's got like all these little grooves in her tuxedo tails. Like all of the detail on this figure is crazy and gorgeous. Like on the underside too, super cute. Her little shoes are adorable. The base is also gorgeous. Her little hands. And I really love her space buns. The little buns I think are the best part. It's the cutest thing. Just got double bunny ears basically. Gotta find a place to put her now because all my desk space is taken up. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me for this studio vlog. I know it was more vlog than studio. It kind of just looks like all I do is have Valentine's parties and pet cats, but most of the time I'm in my little cave editing videos and drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that maybe this more vloggy type of video is fun as well, and I am excited to see you guys in the next video. I've got a very special little Shinbaku animatic planned, and I am getting hard at work for my 100k special video. If I ever hit that number, I swear I've been waiting to hit 100k for like 5 months by now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!
Thank you.